Welcome to this week's edition of Immunology Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. $2 million in new research grants are set to propel pediatric rheumatology forward. The Childhood Arthritis and Rheumatology Research Alliance, alongside the Arthritis Foundation, has increased annual research funding by $200,000. 13 new grants have been awarded, focusing on juvenile idiopathic arthritis, lupus, dermatomyositis, and kidney disease. These include bridge funding and mentored career development awards, designed to close research gaps and improve long-term outcomes for children affected by these conditions. The UK's National Institute for Health and Care Excellence has officially recommended mirikizumab for the treatment of Crohn's disease. Now available for NHS use in England and Wales, it is indicated for patients who have not responded to prior biologic therapies. Phase 3 clinical trial data showed a remission rate of 45% after 1 year, compared to just 20% in the placebo group. Zentiva and Lupin have announced a strategic partnership to commercialize certolizumab pegol. This TNF inhibitor will be targeted for use in arthritis, Crohn's disease, and plaque psoriasis. Lupin will receive an upfront payment of $10 million and could earn up to $50 million in milestone payments. Under the agreement, Zentiva will lead commercial efforts in Europe and Commonwealth of Independent States markets, while Lupin takes the lead in the U.S. and other international regions. In the U.S., Pharma has launched deuruxolitinib, branded as Leqselvi, for the treatment of severe alopecia areata. The oral JAK1 and JAK2 inhibitor demonstrated sustained hair regrowth in long-term clinical trials. Nearly 50% of patients reached a severity of alopecia tool score of 20 or lower by week 68. Pharma has also introduced a patient access program offering financial assistance. Epiphany Dermatology has expanded its network by acquiring associates in dermatology and cutaneous surgery in St. Louis. The move strengthens patient access in Missouri and brings in additional clinical expertise and infrastructure. The group emphasized its commitment to maintaining quality and integrity of care throughout the integration process. Leo Pharma has acquired Spevigo from Boehringer Ingelheim for €90 million. Spevigo is indicated for the treatment of generalized pustular psoriasis and is also under investigation for pyoderma gangrenosum. The acquisition reinforces Leo Pharma's strategic focus on dermatology innovation and expands its rare disease portfolio. In Japan, Otsuka has secured full global rights to Cantargia's CAN10 immunology program. The deal includes $33 million upfront and potential milestone payments reaching $580 million. CAN10 targets interleukin-1 superfamily cytokines, aiming to treat a broad range of autoimmune diseases. Otsuka also gains access to related backup compounds. The U.S. FDA has granted orphan drug designation to STEAP1 antibody-drug conjugate ADRX-0405 for the treatment of gastric cancer. Developed by Adcentrix, the therapy is currently in Phase 1 clinical trials for advanced solid tumors. The designation provides benefits, including 7 years of market exclusivity and tax incentives for clinical development. Finally, Astellas has reapplied for reimbursement of Vyloy in South Korea. Vyloy is the world's first Claudin 18.2 targeted therapy for gastric cancer and is already approved in 13 countries. Backed by strong international guidelines, it is recognized as a standard first-line treatment and continues to gain global traction. Stay ahead in immunology research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert health